How to make a pie crust. What you'll need: 2½ cups unbleached flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, ½ cup shortening, chilled, 3/4 cup unsalted butter, chilled, 1 egg white, 6 to 8 tablespoons ice water, a bit of raw sugar, a food processor, a mixing bowl, a rolling pin, a pastry mat, a pastry brush, and a 9-inch pie pan. Step 1. Put the flour, sugar, and salt into the food processor. Blend for 30 seconds. Step 2. Chop the shortening into medium-sized squares. Put the shortening into the food processor evenly dispersed so you don't end up with clumps. Blend for 10 seconds. Step 3. Chop the butter into smaller-sized squares. Put the butter into the food processor dispersed similarly to the way that you put in the shortening. Pulse for 1-second intervals 10 to 15 times. The mixture should look similar to cornmeal. Step 4. Put the mixture into the mixing bowl. Sprinkle 6 tablespoons of cold water over the mixture. Mix until you have one solid piece of dough. If the dough doesn't stick together, add 1 tablespoon water and continue to mix. Keep adding 1 tablespoon water until the dough sticks together. Step 5. Separate the dough into 2 even pieces. Flatten into 1-inch thick rounded discs. Wrap in cellophane wrap and put into the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Step 6. Put a bit of flour on the plastic pastry mat. Take out one part of the separated dough and put flour on both sides of it. Roll out the dough until it will cover the bottom of a pie tin. If it begins to stick, use a small amount of flour to help resolve the issue. Take the rolled out dough and put it into the pie pan, making sure it drapes over the edges. Put whatever pie filling you desire inside, making sure that it is evenly distributed throughout the pan. Repeat this process for the other piece of dough. Make sure there is excess dough around the edges. Step 7. Cut off the excess dough around the edges of the pie pan. Fold the dough into itself, making a nice crust around the pie. Step 8. Use the pastry brush to evenly coat the crust with egg white. Your crust is now complete.